In this week's discussion, I will be talking about the word hate and how we have discussed it in class. I took a lot of time reading the discussions this week, and I felt like I could relate to what was happening this summer. I mean, a lot of our discussions, I have been going back to what has happened this summer because there's just so many things that we can relate to and learn from after the summer. And I feel like it goes with the Black Lives Matter protesting. And a lot of people linked some peaceful protests to people rioting and creating havoc around the country. And I feel like making those peaceful protesters pay for something that didn't involve them simply due to the fact that they hate the group is unfair. And so, like, for example, in Minneapolis, where I was there, I was involved in a lot of peaceful protests. But a lot of people were upset that we were protesting because they were like, oh, they're rioting, they're trashing the city and all that stuff. And any protest that I was a part of was not happening, but there was a lot of protests that were involving rioting and destroying gas stations, banks, stores, everything. And so I feel like whenever you tie something to like a group hating something, you can't tie it to you have to tie it to the people that are actually doing something wrong. You can't tie it to the whole group as in itself, because I feel like there are parts of the group that did some really amazing things, and then there's some parts of the group that were not doing some amazing things. And so that's why I feel like the word hate could be used differently. If it was my choice, I wouldn't use the word hate at all, because it's just such a strong word, and growing up I was always taught not to use that word. And so that was this week's discussion, and that's what I took away from after looking at the discussions for this week. Thank you.